bit fast here how it's going. So if I start there, they go together, I stop, they separate, they break, and afterwards they reset again. The function of the mechanical watch, the base function is you have a big spring lying under this place here. When you wound the clock, your watch with the crown up here, then you will see in this area there's a wheel that starts to turn. Okay. So now there's a big spring inside the movement that is getting wound. It's lying inside a cylinder with the teeth on the side. And we call it the barrel in watchmaking language. And you will see the teeth here. So this is like the one that is a big spring inside here. These teeth will make this wheel turn here. That is the wheel in the center. This is the one that is carrying the minute hand. So this one will go around once per hour. This one is turning this wheel around here. The one that is lying under. And this one is turning this wheel around under here. That is the second. So there's a gear ratio between this and this, 60 to 1. So this turns 60 times, this turns 1 time. And to control the speed, we have this escapement wheel here. So this is connected to this wheel, make this turn around very fast. Then you have the escapement that can consist of the escapement wheel, the ballast cord, and the balance wheel that's going back and forward here. If this hadn't been here, then all these wheels will just spin very fast. So this is regulating the speed of the gear train here. Go in and have a look how it functions. You have the escapement wheel here. The force here forces to turn one direction. So these special teeth here, they are pressing these jewels back and forward and make this part go back and forward like this. Underneath here is there's an arm that's connected to the center of the wheel here. And in this wheel, I just take off the bottom and see. This wheel here works like a pendulum. Its movement is limited by this long spring here. See? So now this spring is doing this, it's going back and forward. It's also connected to the ballast cord here. So when there comes pressure on these teeth, it will move these rubies back and forward and make this one turn. That's the one that is keeping the time. So you see, it starts turning. When I put a little bit of force on it, it starts moving. The length of this spring is the one that determines the speed of the gear train. So the longer it gets, the slower it will go back and forward. That was a problem in the old days. This is a watch that is 70 years old, so it has the old system of escapement on it. So this have like a steel spring that is made of an alloy that is affected by temperature. So when it's getting warm, it's getting longer. And when it's getting cold, it gets shorter. Today, the alloys just stay the same, the one we're using, so we don't have this kind of problem. Because this, when it gets long, it will vibrate slower, and therefore the watch will also run slower, the lose time. And when it gets cold, it will be shorter, and then it will gain time afterwards. In these days, you have this system for compensating for this. You have this balance wheel here. It's made of two materials. You see it's steel inside and gold outside. And the two materials, they expand differently to temperature. And as they're soldered together, when the outside will expand more than the inside, it will bend the material in and out by temperature. Here you will have, you see the balance wheel is cut open here. So, you see it can move here, back and forward. So when it gets warm, for example, this spring will get longer. When this gets longer, the whole system will go slower, but at the same time, this, when it gets warmer, will move this piece inwards and move these gold weights closer to the center, and thereby make it faster again, and thereby it's always running the same. Today this is a very complicated system to make, and today we have an alloy for our hairsprings that doesn't move at all, and therefore you don't have this problem anymore. And also today we're experimenting with the silicium hairspring and the escapement wheel, and it's the same story. It doesn't move by temperature, and then it's very stable. So we started again here.
Okay. How can you see from there?
Yep, for the one that was not here in the beginning, you can see this is a pocket watch.